Ni hao, my name is Nani, they call me Teacher N for short. I am a licensed professional teacher with 30 unit earner in my master's degree, majoring in educational leadership and management. I have 5 years of dedicated teaching experience in private elementary school where I have cultivated effective instructional practices and a strong commitment to students' development. Beyond my teaching responsibilities, I serve as a private tutor as my part-time job, specializing in assisting elementary students who face challenges in reading. My focus has been on strengthening their literacy skills, enhancing their comprehension, and fostering their confidence in their learning and reading journey. With my background in both teaching and leadership, I strive to create a structured, supportive, and engaging learning environment to empower students to achieve academic success. Sisi!